Okay, demonstrative adjectives. What is a demonstrative adjective? A demonstrative adjective, or un aggettivo dimostrativo, describes the noun you're referring to when demonstrating or showing something to someone. Okay, so in English, the demonstrative adjectives are this or these plus a noun, and that or those plus a noun. Okay, so how many demonstrative adjectives are there? Well, there are only two basic kinds. So questo, which means this, and quello, which means that. But they must agree in both gender and number with the noun or nouns they precede, just like definite articles. Thus, there are 5 different forms of questo and quello, and an additional 2 forms of quello. So I've put them into a nice little chart for you. Okay, so if the noun that's being described is a masculine singular noun, okay, you would use questo to say this or these. Okay, so if it's masculine singular noun, questo. If it's a feminine singular noun, you'd say questa. All singular nouns starting with a vowel would be quest with an apostrophe here. Masculine plural nouns would be questi. Feminine plural nouns, queste. Okay, so there's 5 forms here. If the noun that you're describing is masculine singular and you want to say that or those, you would use quel. Okay, quella for feminine singular nouns, and then we have quel with the apostrophe again, quei, quelle, and then we have the additional 2 forms here. Okay, so quello and quelli. And these basically follow the same pattern that your definite articles follow. Okay, so they have the same endings here. So pretty much if you're going to use il, you'd use quel, la, quella, el apostrophe quel, I would be que, le, quelle, lo would be quello, and li would be quelli. Okay, so they're same pattern. Okay, so hopefully that clarifies it a little bit for you. But just take some time and study this chart. And the more you use these words, the easier it will be to use them going forward.